What brought me to ROVI was I was interviewing a brokerage that I wanted to, join. So I interviewed everywhere. And when I went to ROVI, I just felt a different feeling there. I felt like a really high energy. I didn't feel like people were looking at me with a hairy eyeball. I felt welcomed. And what keeps me there is that no other brokerage enlightens me the way that ROVI does. Of course, I'll entertain coffees with other brokers that, will say, please meet up with me. Sure. All right. I'll meet up with you. And I never leave enlightened. I find that they leave enlightened from the information that I bring from being at ROVI. So I always tell my broker, Steve, the reason why I would ever leave the brokerage is if someone else could enlighten me the way that you do and this brokerage does. So until then, I'm all in.